This is the Teand, I think that's how it's pronounced, Teand, 7 horsepower, 4200 psi pressure washer, high pressure gasoline pressure washer. I've put it together. I've added oil in here, check the oil level there, put gas in here, and they say it's easy start. Since I am the only one here with my phone, I can't actually record myself starting it, but I will give it a shot and I'll let you know right now whether it starts easy or not. So the pressure washer started with 1 pull. Now I'm going to wash away that sand and see how it turns out.